Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to claim Crypto GPT token. So first, you just have to go to this website, Crypto GPT, in order for you to know more about this Crypto GPT. So what is this Crypto GPT? Is a blockchain for artificial intelligence development that enables users to earn money from their AI data. Since the platform collects and packages users' data for them to sell on their terms, users can utilize Crypto GPT to transform every job in their everyday lives into a source of income. Users can also create their own data capsules, which can be used by AI development requests with their consent and at their desired cost. Now, as you can see, in order for you to claim Crypto GPT token, first you have to log in or sign up to this chatgpt.org. After you created an account on Crypto GPT, all you have to do is to simply invite your friends to sign up also for this Crypto GPT, as every invites or every person who uses your referral code, there is an equivalent prices for that. But actually, you can see that update on how to earn or how to claim Crypto GPT token if you follow their Twitter account. So, in order to know more about their program, you can visit their Twitter, and there you can see the equivalent prices for every invitations or every activities or programs that they want you to participate in order to get prizes in order to claim Crypto GPT token. So you can just go to Twitter and then type Crypto GPT, and all you have to do is to follow, and you will be updated with their daily happenings. So this is one of the ways on how to claim Crypto GPT token. If you follow their Twitter account, then you would know any other ways on how to claim ChatGPT aside from participating, aside from inviting friends, aside from using referral codes. And added information, there are many ways on how to get Crypto GPT token. Okay, so some of these are you can choose from centralized exchanges, crypto wallets, decentralized exchanges, and you can also buy Crypto GPT token. But if you want to claim Crypto GPT token in the most easiest way, so you just have to follow what I have said in this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.